Functional interior design is incredibly important in smaller living spaces, as it can help to maximize the use of limited square footage. Designing with a purposeful layout and incorporating multifunctional pieces can work together to give the illusion of more space while also providing storage solutions. From planning out a small room to carefully curating your furniture, it's possible to make the most out of limited square footage in a stylish way. Functional interior design is an important part of creating a comfortable and livable space for those who live in smaller living spaces. It's possible to create a beautiful, stylish home using clever design solutions that make every inch count. Functional interior design takes into account the need for storage and organization while still allowing for style and comfort. Optimize storage. Utilize multifunctional furniture pieces with built-in storage, such as ottomans or coffee tables with hidden compartments. Consider using vertical storage solutions like wall-mounted shelves or hanging organizers to free up floor space. Use lighter colors. Lighter colors can make a small space appear larger and more open. Opt for neutral or pastel shades for walls, furniture, and decor to create a sense of airiness. Utilize mirrors. Mirrors can create an illusion of space by reflecting light and making the room feel larger. Place mirrors strategically to maximize their effect, such as across from windows or as a decorative focal point. Divide the space. Use furniture or room dividers to create separate zones within your studio apartment. This can help define different areas for sleeping, working, and relaxing, giving the illusion of distinct rooms. Choose furniture wisely. If you know much about furniture design, some furniture styles focus on functionality. Take Danish chair design for example, renowned for its functional approach since inception. Select furniture that is an appropriate size for your space. Opt for compact and multifunctional pieces, such as a sofa bed or a folding dining table, to save space when not in use. Add vertical elements. Use vertical space to your advantage by incorporating tall bookshelves or floor-to-ceiling curtains. This draws the eye upward, creating the illusion of higher ceilings and making the space feel more expansive. Declutter regularly. Keep your studio apartment organized and clutter-free by regularly decluttering and finding storage solutions for items you don't frequently use. This will help maintain a clean and spacious feel.